fun. So here we start the program.
किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत गणेश वंदना और श्लोक से और दीप जलाकर की जाती है।
इसी श्रृंखला को आगे बढ़ाते हुए I would like to invite on stage our immediate past president Sunil Sethia, immediate past secretary Ranjan Goenka. We have our club PDG Raju Bhaiya. We have our district governor Krishnendu Davatas. Our incoming president Alka Ganeriwala. Our incoming secretary Satish Jalan. Our installation our incoming secretary Rotarian Satish Jalan. Our installation chairman Sandeep Agarwal, and past international RI director president Shekhar Mehta. Please come on the stage for the lighting of the lamp. Can we have the shlok?
श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः, अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया। ओम गणपतिये नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः, अष्ट विनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बप्पा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते, दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते। शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं, आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः।
This important ceremony, please welcome on the stage our installation chairman Rotarian Sandeep Agarwal. Can we have a big round of applause for him?
A big round of applause, please. What you are seeing here is the entire hard work from his ideas.
Good morning.
Well, we have a big energy in the hall. A good morning.
सभी को सुप्रभात and a warm welcome to all the Rotarians, district dignitaries, past presidents, past district governors, guest members, members from our RCC and family members. I welcome you all for this beautiful program, 41st installation program for Rotary Club of Central Calcutta. My name is Sandeep Agarwal and I am the chairperson for today's ceremony. I would like to thank President Alka ji for giving me this opportunity. I would also like to thank all the members, guests who could come here today. We have a packed schedule, so dil tham ke baithiyega. Today we have also an eye test camp for the drivers who actually, जिनको हम अपने साथ हरदम रखते हैं. तो सभी मेंबरों से रिक्वेस्ट है to request their members, their drivers to have the visit the eye camp and do their eye test. And it is in the Velvet Lounge. We have our drivers outside, they will assist them. Thank you once again for coming and making this day memorable for the Rotary team of Central Calcutta. 24-25, which is a vibrant and a dynamic year for them. All the best, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Installation Chair Sandeep, for those kind words. I think Sandeep was in a hurry. He forgot to introduce the MCs, so I think I'll take the opportunity to introduce ourselves. Well, friend, a very good afternoon, distinguished Rotarians, esteemed guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. I am welcoming you all, Raj Bagri, Rotarian from Central Calcutta, to the 41st installation ceremony of our club. And I am truly honored to be the MC for today's special occasion. It's my great pleasure in welcoming you all. We have gathered here to celebrate our achievements, welcome new leadership, and embrace the theme of today's installation program, that's Pragati, progress that will lead us ahead.
A very good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Rotarian Kavisha Jalan, your host for today's installation ceremony. We are thrilled to have you with us here today as we celebrate the achievements of the past year and look forward to the exciting future ahead. We have a wonderful program lined up for you, full of inspiration, celebration, and fellowship.
Before we dive into our program, I want to share a quick story that I believe encapsulates the spirit of Rotary. It's the story of a small village that had no access to clean water. The villagers had to walk miles every day to fetch water, which was often contaminated. But one day, a group of strangers arrived with tools and a plan. And I'm sure it's already in your mind who arrived there. They worked tirelessly alongside the villagers, digging and building. Within a week, a well was constructed, and for the first time in the years, the village had the clean water. Well, friends, these strangers were none other than the Rotarians. The story is just one of the many things that highlights the impact of Rotary, which has on our communities around the world. Today, we celebrate the installation of new leaders who will continue this legacy and service with dedication. We honor the dedication of our outgoing President, Sunil Sethia, whose leadership and commitment have brought us through an incredible years of service and growth. Please join me in welcoming our outgoing President, Rotarian Sunil Sethia, on the stage, along with our immediate past Secretary, Ranjan Goenka. Can we have them on the stage? Can we have a big round of applause?
Can we have a greater round of applause, please?
Awaaj nahi aayi. How's the energy? How's the josh? That's better. I would request the President, outgoing President, to please call the meeting to order. Call the meeting to order.
Call meeting to order.
As we gather today to celebrate our commitments to service and community, let us take a moment to honor our nation. Please rise for the national anthem.
I would like to call on stage our Rotarian Pintu Agarwal and past President Sudeep Sen to please lead us for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Dinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Uchchal Ganga Vinya Himachal Namuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladita Tab Shubh Naame Jage Tab Shubh Ashish Mange Gaave Jab Jaya Rata Jana Gana Mangal Bhayat Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya Jai जय 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 हे।
Thank you.
राज भैया, आपको आपके स्कूल के टाइम की वो असेंबलीज याद है? The
Yes.
hushed anticipation, the flutter of excitement, and the sense of unity. Today, let's recreate that magic as we recite the Rotary four-way test, the compass that guides our actions, decisions, and impact. This is what I call the magic of Rotary.
That's perfect, Kavisha. I would like to call upon Rotarian Sumit Dalan on the stage to please read out the four-way test. I would like to request everyone present here to join him in repeating and echoing the four-way test.
The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth?
Can we have a little louder, please?
Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you.
Wow, that's wonderful. Your idea has really created the ambience of that school assembly here in this Rotary meeting. But I think some students were like, they were a little fearful. They were not with the full energy. So can we have a big round of applause for this four-way test? Thank you. Thank you.
I would request our outgoing President Sunil Sethia to please address the House and share his experience about the wonderful Rotary year under his presidentship.
Respected Shekhar Bhaiya and DG Dr. Krishnendu da, district dignitaries or members, guests. ऐसे तो बोलने के लिए बहुत काफ़ी कुछ है, लेकिन मौका है अपने इंस्टॉलेशन का, तो मैं मेरे जितने भी मेरे मेंबर्स हैं, मैं उनको आज फिर धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने मेरे साथ रह के और पूरा साल बिताया और मेरा हौसला बढ़ाया। मैं सभी को धन्यवाद करता हूँ और आशा करता हूँ कि आगे भी आप लोगों का प्यार और स्नेह जैसे मेरे को मिला है वैसे नए प्रेसिडेंट को मिले। मैं नए प्रेसिडेंट को भी शुभकामना देता हूँ कि ना सब जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं उन्होंने ना जिस हिसाब से मेरे साथ मिलके काम किया रोटरी के लिए, तो वो काबिल तारीफ़ है और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलते। थैंक यू।
That was very short and very humble about our outgoing president. He had done a lot of work in the Rotary year, and I'm sure that all the members will agree to that.
Thank you, outgoing President Sunil Sethia, for your inspiring words and unfaltering commitment.
I now have the pleasure of inviting our outgoing secretary, Rotarian Ranjan Goenka, to share the inspiring journey of our Rotary Club through the video clip.
A very good afternoon. My apologies, I would take a little more time. And I would like to give I've tried to summarize it, and I would just like to give you some kind of an insight what we have done during the year. Before that, I would like to thank our President, Mr. Sunil Sethia. He has been, a torch-bearer for me, and during the entire year, we have worked very closely with each other, and I think we made it happen. I'm extremely thankful to the Board of Directors who has always supported whatever we had planned to do. And needless to say, the members, their cooperation was extremely important in basically all our activities. District governor of our time, of last year, Hira Lalji Yadav, he was always behind us supporting every activity that we were doing. And our AG, Arpita ji, was always with us, in whatever little things we were doing here and there. And also, I would like to talk about Sumana ji, who was our zonal secretary. She also played a very good role during our tenure. Yeah, can we just have... I would like to begin with our flagship projects. We already, had a lot of flagship projects, earlier. This year, we had a couple of projects that we undertook. Very recently, there's in Tarkeshwar, which is run by our RCC Tarkeshwar, we added a new floor over there, calling it the Manohar Jalan Hall. And Manohar Jalan, the late Manohar Jalan, is father of our, member, Mr. Manish Jalan. In his name, this hall has been created. He has funded it substantially, and also our member, Mr. Rotarian Sushil Agarwal, also funded this project, and this would be helping a lot of students already enrolled and studying over there. In the beginning of the year, this project actually started maybe 2 years back, but it actually was inaugurated during the, during July last year. This is a dialysis center. This is in our own property. And this dialysis center currently has around, I think, 9 or 10 beds over there. And during the year, we had a lot of dialysis over here, sessions over here. And this project was initiated at PP, Pramod ji Rungta's time. And the whole year of R.R. Agarwal ji, this whole thing carried on, and it was inaugurated in July last year. These are some of the other permanent projects that we have. We have the Rotary Shiksha Sadan at Vishnupur, where around 400 students are there. We have a dialysis ward which was there before, and I think Shekharji is here. Sir, you inaugurated this dialysis ward at Bangur. And we have this Joynagar Eye Hospital. This was done by our RCC, HDC, Human Resource Development, and Atiyar Babu is here. I think he has put in a lot of effort in building up this. We have this Premananda Leprosy Hospital. This was a very small hospital, and our PP, Jitesh Gurgutia ji, actually completely changed the entire thing. Now, these people are actually spoiled for plenty because a lot of people now come and do projects over here. And we have this Mente. This is basically an institute for the special children, and we keep on doing a lot of activities here. And some of the other sustainable projects that we have at Vistudanand College, Vistudanand Hospital, we have a ventilator ward, which is basically named as Ram Gopal Lakhotia Hall ward, and this is basically in honor of, or maybe in the memory of, our past president, Rajesh Ji Lakhotia's father. In his name also, we have another ward over there, which is a dialysis ward. We also run an orthopedic ward over there. And again, Manish Jalanji, a few years back, we started this at Bansai Protesta, which is our RCC. We have another hall over there. And a lot of activities, including education, extracurricular activities, take place over here. And we have created 2 Rotary Bhavans through our 2 RCCs. One is RCC Purva Dwarika and one is RCC Sarada. The 2 dialysis centers we have, we have done 1,246 dialysis sessions in the Bangur one and 565 in the other one. And in the Vistudanand Hospital, the 2 wards that we have, for the dialysis, we had more than 11,000 procedures done at this particular ward, and 124 patients were treated in the ventilator ward. These are some of the regular projects that we did. So the colors that you see behind it is actually the color theme decided for the 7 areas of focus. So During the year, we set up 5 new water huts. One was at the DN Homeo College, Medical College. In NRS Medical College, we put up two of the units over there. The Calcutta Orphanage, we put up 1 unit over there. And recently, we added one at the Rotary Shiksha Sadan. So apart from these 5, we already have 30 more water huts. And during the year, one good initiative was taken. Many of the water huts were not functioning. So we ensured all the water huts are now functioning and proper maintenance contracts have been given so that, at least the past ones also can get carried forward. And we also set up 4 hand pumps through our RCCs. In disease prevention, we had 2 focus areas. One was the polio, which is, I think, quite important for the Rotary International. And dengue was a major problem this year. So a lot of work was done for dengue awareness and helping people to prevent, especially, the open drains, and this lot of activity actually took place in the area of dengue this year. In women and child health, a lot of things were actually done. But, one thing actually stands out is in 2 of the correctional homes, the lady correction homes, we provided them, sanitary napkins and a lot of essentials. And I think this project was very well received at these places. And this is one opportunity. I think every correction home actually needs this kind of a support from, the Rotary and maybe the others. Apart from that, we have done dental checkup at RSK. Every student over there actually had a dental checkup, and this was done by our own, Dr. Ankur Gupta. He is himself a dentist. He organized this entire thing over there. And there are other things all mentioned over here. This we did. I think literacy was one area. Again, we did a lot of work. I think all the things are listed over here. Something which stands out is, Girish Bhaiya and Alka Bhabi, they took the initiative. They run 3 schools in the Barasat area. We did a seminar on good touch and bad touch. Believe me, this turned out to be such a huge success. Initially it was planned just to do a few sessions, but probably it was done in fact, a lot of classes actually were included when this session was carried out. And apart from that, we have been regularly giving stationery items and so many other things during the course of the year. And we did something on the adult literacy drive also. In community service medical, we had the eye checkup. Can we just little light को बंद कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे? थोड़ा सा light बंद कर. ऐसे ठीक है, ऊपर से light आ रहा, छोड़ दीजिए. हाँ. We had quite a few health checkup camps. We had the blood donation camps. ECG machines were provided. Dialysis, so I've already mentioned. Oxygen cylinders were provided to a few places. Artificial limb to one of the young girls through one of our RCCs. We provided air conditioning at the Premananda Hospital, and it's a usual practice on the 1st of July when the new president takes over. That day we actually felicitate doctors, chartered accountants also. We have quite a few chartered accountants here. Yeah. PDG and our very dear Raju Bhaiya, donated a good amount of money to the HMC Rotary Blood Center, which is one of the flagship projects of Rotary Club of Calcutta. In community center, non-medical, we did three major projects we did. One was the project Stri Kavach, where 2,000 sarees were distributed during the Durga Puja time. And in the winter, we had this Thand Se Rahat, where 1,500 blankets were distributed. These were all through members' contributions. And again, in the month of July, August, we had this Drishti Kavach. We distributed around 2,000 umbrellas across through all our RCCs. Apart from that, we provided wheelchairs. We had some self-employment-based projects, Anna Seva, Gau Seva, distribution of food packets. A couple of times we even arranged dinner at the Calcutta orphanage. Sewing machine was provided to a couple of places where it actually basically more for the self-employment purposes. This is one initiative which was really taken by our president. At the Calcutta orphanage, we just started Project Smile. And believe me, this project is actually something to smile about. There are around 150, inmates over there, all kids. So during their birthday, we go over there, we have a cake cutting, and we provide them a Rotary branded T-shirt. You should look at the smile in the children over there. It gives a lot of satisfaction to actually be present over there and do this activity. Yeah. Mentate I have already spoken about. Very recently, we provided them computer systems and furniture, fans, and a lot of other items. And this was basically, donated by, our past, president, Chittu Bhaiya, Chitranjan Ji Chaudhary. And the project chair is Madhav Mohta Ji, who is very, very closely associated with this. In the World Environment Day, we specially did a project with, Councillor Pooja Panja Ji, and we had a lot of tree plantation, at Ward 8, Calcutta Municipal Corporation. And again, continuing with environment, through our RCCs, we had more than 20,000 fruit sapling planted during the year. And this was our Prime Minister's call, what called the Swachh Bharat. So in the Swachh Bharat, whenever something was being announced, we have actively participated in it. Through one of our RCCs, we had a seminar on peace building and conflict prevention. A lot of students came and spoke about it, and it was very interesting to see young people speaking on such a mature topic. And in fact, like from a small place, those thought process was something extraordinary personally for me. Under the global grant, we have been doing eye operations and checkups. We have a Rotary club, but maybe last 1.5 years it was not very active. This year it has again activated. This is the Interact Club of the BSS school, and this school actually belongs to the Khaitan family, and our member, Mr. Anutam Khaitan, is very closely associated with him personally, associated with this project very personally. And a lot of activities have already started, and one of the girls over there recently was given the award of Miss Rilarian, Best Female Camper at the RYLA meet very recently. We have celebrated both the National Day, the Republic Day, and the Independence Day, flag hoisting as usual. And normally we go to schools and some of the communities where this has a good impact. And the Republic Day was also incidentally where we celebrated our club picnic. So it was a wonderful day, and we had a great picnic also, and it just started with the flag hoisting. Among the public image activities, we had a puja parikrama for senior citizens, and this was led by our past president, Shri Ratanji Jhawar, and always very active for this project. It happens every year. As I already said, we did a lot of activities by setting up banners for dengue, especially during the puja. A lot of puja pandals had our dengue prevention banners. One project, I thought it's a very small project, but it was a very impactful project. Very recently on the World Environment Day, it was a request of the councillor Pooja Panja Ji to create some kind of a banner which has the emergency contact numbers of some of the important contact points in that area. And that was set up at a number of places, and I was given a feedback that it really had a great impact. And rallies for polio, dengue, we did it on a regular basis during the year. We regularly update our website, the social media, and we release our club bulletin every month. I think the last bulletin for June is, I think, on the table of some of our dignitaries here. For that, I would like to thank our editor, Jitesh G. Gurgutia, incidentally also a past president, who did a wonderful job during the year for the bulletins. Yeah. Just 2 minutes. So these were some of the news clippings. In the club services, we have had the fortnightly and the board meetings. I think the numbers are on the board. We had members went for a holiday recently to Kushalpalli at what we call in Purulia. I think it was a wonderful get-together of all members. Among the flagship celebrations, we had the Charter Night, the Diwali meet, the club picnic, and the Holi meet. Our Vinod Ji Khaitan, our past president, was there for the Rotary Convention, and I think he very actively participated and kept on sending a lot of pictures and photographs from there. Thank you, sir. Sir, we have active RCCs all in the list. We added 2 more new RCCs. There are 2 RCCs not very active. We are trying to again reactivate them. Interact Club I've already spoken about. This year we updated our club bylaws, and a lot of senior members were involved. Special thanks to PD Rungta ji, our past president. Every birthday and every anniversary during the year was celebrated by sending some kind of a cake or a pastry, and this actually happens every year. So the tradition was carried forward.
Hello.
We have.
I would request Secretary Ranjan to, you can show the more on the screen. You could show the slides on the screen. That would give us more input on the projects done.
Yeah, these are some of the district events that we have regularly participated in. Again, these are the district, and then recently you had the district award. We were not probably the best club, but we were, awarded quite a few. And sir is sitting here. I think Mahanagar stole the show. Congratulations to you, sir. So these are the list of awards. I think it's all in display. I'm not getting into the details of it. Well, sir, it was a remarkable journey for me personally. It was a great learning for me. Made a lot of friends, and I'm always ready to help the current team and any future team who is a part of our thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Secretary Ranjan Goenka. That was the insight about the projects and activities done during the year. So now we have our guest of honor with us, and we move over to the changeover ceremony.
Now, it's time to welcome the leaders who will take us ahead into this new era. Our incoming President, Rotarian Alka Ganeriwala, and incoming Club Secretary, Rotarian Satish Jalan. Under their guidance, we will continue to harness the magic of Rotary to create greater impacts. Let us give a warm welcome to our leaders for the upcoming year.
I would like to call our incoming President Alka Ganeriwala on the stage, our incoming Secretary Satish Jalan, and our guest of honor, IPS Rupesh Kumarji. Please come on the stage. Can we have 2 chairs? And I would also request Shekhar Bhaiya on the stage. And I would also request DG-elect Rabindu. Oh, say here. Sorry, he's here already. Can we have a big round of applause? I would request the DG and the guest of honor to please stay on the stage and along with the incoming secretary and the president on the stage.
Congratulations and celebrations for our club president, Rotarian Alka Ganeriwala, who has embraced the theme of Pragati, progress, that will lead us ahead in this Rotary year. I now request past President Girish Ganeriwala to give a formal introduction of our guest of honor, IPS Rupesh Kumar Ji, Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic, Kolkata Police.
Good afternoon, friends. It is my great pleasure to introduce our distinguished guest of honor for the day, Mr. Rupesh Kumar, an IPS officer of 2900 batch. Mr. Rupesh Kumar has held several positions, including SP in Malda, Purulia, Nadia, as well as various deputy commissioners' posts, roles within the Calcutta Police. He has placed the roles of DCP Detective Branch, South Suburban Division, East Division, Traffic, and Central Calcutta Division. He is currently serving as the Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic in Kolkata. Managing the traffic in the City of Joy is a momentous task, growing more challenges each day, every day, due to increasing vehicular density and populations. Under his leadership, the Safe Drive, Safe Life program has significantly reduced the road accidents and positively impacted the motorists' behavior. We are honored to have him with us today in spite of his busy schedules and today's Rath Yatra program. But how, let's see, the magic of Rotary can spread through his experiences and contributions. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Rupesh Kumar. Thank you.
First of all, today is Rath Yatra, so happy Rath Yatra to all the members of Rotary Club Central Kolkata. And very good afternoon to all the dignitaries present on the dais, the new president, new secretary, and all the members present here. It's my privilege to attend this installation program of Rotary Central Kolkata. I have been serving in Kolkata since last many years, but this is first occasion when I am attending this Rotary Club program. Previously, I was posted in Purulia, so where I used to attend, I was closely associated with this Rotary Club. Presently, I am posted as Joint CP Traffic, Kolkata, and traffic is one thing that is everybody's concern. So like as a common citizen, what all we want from this, our enforcement agency. And from my side also. Like whenever any of our family members commute, they reach their destination on time. And the utmost thing is road safety. They come in the evening safely. So everybody wants that. And as a member of Traffic Police, I can assure you that Kolkata Traffic Police is taking 360-degree measures to ensure this improved traffic scenario and ensure road safety. Kolkata Police is pioneer in implementation of several new technologies. And first it was implemented in Kolkata, later on it was implemented in other metro cities. And like last year only, the whole team of Google, they visited our traffic control room and they visited field also. They met our field officers and took the feedback of common public also. So they certified that the Kolkata Traffic Police, performance of Kolkata Traffic Police is much better than any other metro of India. In 2016, the Kolkata Police and basically the whole of West Bengal took an initiative that is called Safe Drive, Save Life. We got a lot of government resources and we took a lot of initiatives in view of ensuring this road safety. And you'll be surprised the figure that is related to reduction in fatality. In 2016, every year, only in Kolkata, we were losing more than 450 persons And after all these initiatives, now it has come down to 159 in 2023. So in this way, we are saving almost life of 300 persons every year. So it's a continuous process. And one thing I'd like to say that any initiative of government or police, any government agency, that especially depends upon the cooperation received from the common public, the people like you. So this dedication of Rotary Club towards that, I could see the diversity and amount of work done by Rotary Central Kolkata in the presentation made by Mr. Ranjan Goenka. So dedication of Rotary Central Kolkata, the whole Rotary Club towards this community service, that is perfectly aligned with this collective role of government and this public. So I request all the members, all the officials of Rotary Club to continue with this effort towards this community service. We are open to everyone, all the members. If any kind of assistance or support required from us, we can provide. And together we can make this Kolkata a safer city, a better city for our future generation, for our present generation. And I once again thank you, Mr. Govardhan and Mr. Ganeriwal, for calling me in this program. Once again, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Rupesh Kumar ji.
Thank you, Rupesh ji. That was truly inspiring. I now request our past president, Subir Poddar, and past president, Subhash Kankaria, to please come on stage to felicitate our guest of honor.
Can we have them on the stage, please? Yeah.
Past president, Subir Poddar, and past president, Subhash Kankaria on the stage, please.
To carry forward this felicitation, I would like to call our immediate past president, Sunil Sethia, and immediate past secretary, Ranjan Goenka, to come on the stage, where our incoming president would be felicitating them.
It is our great honor to introduce and welcome our distinguished guests from the Rotary districts who have joined us this afternoon.
Indeed, their presence is a testament to the strong bonds of fellowship and shared commitment to service that unite us all as Rotarians. I would request all our past presidents to be on alert as we call upon the district official's name. Please come forward and felicitate them.
As I call out the names, please come on the stage.
I would be calling the past president's name.
DGE Ramnendu Home Chaudhary.
Can we ask Amit Rungta to please come forward?
Past Rotary International President, Rotarian Shekhar Mehta.
Can we ask Rotarian past president Brij Lakhotia to please come forward. I would request all the past presidents to be ready. Their name would be coming any moment.
AG Sukanya Das Gupta.
I would request past president Girish Ganeriwala to please come forward.
PDG Rojokundu.
I would request past president Jitesh Gudgudia please come forward.
PDG
And Felicity.
Rojokundu.
Manoj Jain, please be ready.
PDG Pinaki Ghosh.
I would request past president Manoj Jain to please come forward to felicitate.
PDG Ravi Sehgal.
I would request past president Meeta Lakhotia please do the honors. Can we have a big round of applause, please? Where's the energy?
PDG Rajni Mukherjee.
I would request past president Pradeep Murarka to please come forward.
PDG Sudeep Mukherjee.
I would request past president PD Rungta to please come forward.
PDG Mukul Sinha.
I would request Rajesh Kumar Lakhotia, past president Rajesh Lakhotia to please come forward.
PDG Sham Shri Sen.
I would request past president Sri Ratan Jhawar to please come forward.
PDG Raju Khandelwal.
I would request past president Shubhaji Kakaria to please come forward. Subir Podar, you also be ready. Sudeep Sen, you also be ready. I think we can speed up the things.
PDG Anshuman Bandyopadhyay.
I would request past president Subir Podar to please come forward. I would request Sanjay Ganeriwal, past president Sanjay Ganeriwal to please come forward.
District Dignitary Ajay Kumar Agarwal.
I would request past president Sudeep Sen to please come forward.
PDG Ajay Agarwal. Ajay Agarwal.
I would request immediate past president Sunil Sethia to please come forward. I would request past President Pushparajji Maheshwari to please come forward.
PDG Nayantara Paul Chaudhary.
I would request past President Prem Kumar Lihala to please come forward, do the honors.
District Dignitary Barnali Mukherjee. Banerjee, sorry, I would
Banerjee.
rectify.
I would request
Barnali
past President Binod Bhaiya, Binod Khaitan to please come forward to felicitate the district official.
District Dignitary Utpal Chatterjee.
I would request our Rotarian Mandeep Bindra to please come forward and do the honors. Sandeep, are we missing?
Can we have a greater round of applause, please?
For all the district officials, we are amongst the galaxy of stars in this bright sunny afternoon. I would. Is Mr. Aniruddha Goa here? Oh, yeah, please, can we hear from? I would request our past president, R.R. Agarwal, to please come forward.
District Dignitary Kaushik Sen.
And I would request Rotarian Avinash Bubna to please come forward. Felicitate. Huh? I hope we have not missed out any district officials. Okay, so we take this forward. And so with this, we extend a warm welcome to all our visiting Rotarians and district officials who have traveled far and near to be with us today. Your presence enriches our event and strengthens the spirit of Rotary Fellowship. Can we have a big round of applause for all the district officials present here in the hall today? Thank you. Oh, GML Chairman, that's what we call Diya Tale Andhera. We have our GML chairman with us, Meeta Lakhotia, and we have forgotten to felicitate her. Can we have her here? I would request our Rotarian Madhav Mohta to please do the honors. Friends, we are deeply honored to have with us past Rotary International President. Oh, we missed Raju Bhaiya again. Okay. Okay, we will. He's of course he's our own club, our own PDG, Raju Bhaiya. We can always felicitate him once again. So we are deeply honored to have with us the past Rotary International President, Shekhar Mehta, with us. Sir, your visionary leadership and dedication to the ideals of Rotary continue to inspire Rotarians across the world. Thank you for gracing us. Can we have some words of wisdom from you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wonderful afternoon, great occasion. First of all, compliments to the outgoing president. I think you did an excellent job. Central Calcutta is one of the outstanding clubs that we have in the district. Each year, you do some amazing work. और आज से नहीं, बहुत सालों से कर रहे हो. And you are handing over to another person who I've known very well. She's part of family. Alka, compliments to you and congratulations. I know you're going to put in your excellent effort. बस एक बात का ध्यान रखना, गिरीश ने जो भी किया उससे एक कदम आगे बढ़ना है, ठीक है ना? और वो तुम कर लोगी, मुझे मालूम है, क्योंकि गिरीश ने जितना किया उतना तो करवाना ही है, उससे एक कदम आगे तुम्हें उसको ही पहुंचाना पड़ेगा. I know her ability, extremely sincere and focused, and I'm sure it's going to be another year where we'll be able to do a lot of service activities. Central Calcutta तो मैं रग-रग जानता हूँ. I've been part of this club. Whenever I come back to this club, it's like homecoming, absolutely. Stalwarts, I've seen one after the other presidents at that time who've led this club, taken it to those heights, and you all have kept those heights, which is really wonderful. अगर हम sum total देखें तो एक-एक club कितना कुछ करता है. Last year, our clubs all put together in our district did projects worth more than 100 crores. And that is just one district. Rupesh ji, 40 ऐसे districts हैं इंडिया में, और approximately इंडिया भर के अंदर में 1.5 से 2,000 करोड़ रुपए का काम सिर्फ रोटरी क्लब्स के द्वारा होता है. यहाँ पर 4,000 रोटरी क्लब हैं approximately, and ये सब मिलके ये काम हो जाता है. And आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्क, द स्कूल, जो स्कूल्स हैं, जो डायलिसिस सेंटर्स आप चला रहे हैं, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ है या लिटरेसी के अंदर में, ऑल द एरियाज ऑफ फोकस. आई थिंक सेंट्रल कैलकाटा, हर बार आके यही बात बोल सकता हूँ और क्या कह सकता हूँ. कीप डूइंग द ग्रेट वर्क. आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी सो मेनी फ्लैगशिप प्रोजेक्ट्स. अ क्लब लाइक सेंट्रल कैलकाटा हैज़ टू हैव फ्लैगशिप प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड कीप एडिंग ईच ईयर. एटलीस्ट एक या दो ज़रूर ऐड करिएगा, तभी ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हो पाएंगे. एंड आई एम श्योर आप कर लोगे ज़रूर से. माई बेस्ट विशेज़ टू ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर. हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर. ये जो मैजिक ऑफ रोटरी है वो सिर्फ इस साल नहीं, सालों से चल रहा है. इस साल ज़रा ज़्यादा प्रज्वलित हो जाएगा. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Shekhar Bhaiya. That was indeed the magic. That's what we call the magic of Rotary. Well, friends, now comes the moment we were all waiting for. As we embark on a new chapter, we look forward for fresh, prospective, innovative ideas from our incoming President, Rotarian Alka Ganeriwala. I would request our Rotarian Vinita Moore to please come forward and introduce our incoming President, Alka Ganeriwala.
Born in 1971 into a humble family, Alka Ganeriwala's journey is a testament to perseverance and dedication. She completed her schooling at Lamart's for girls in 1991 and pursued higher education at Loreto College, graduating in 1993. In December of the same year, she married Girish Ganeriwala, a chartered accountant, and they began their life journey together. In June 1995, their son Yash was born. Yash later graduated with a master's in business finance from SP Jain and became an independent investment and wealth consultant. He married Pratibha, a corporate lawyer from NUJS, Kolkata, in April 2021. Alka's professional journey began in 1998 when she joined the business as an investment advisor. At a time when internet awareness was minimal, she took the initiative to educate clients on the importance of investment. Her approach involved visiting clients' offices and delivering customized presentations to help them achieve their financial goals. Her dedication and expertise earned her a place in the Chairman's Club of LICI. Her firm, AG Investments, now manages a substantial portfolio currently overseen by her son Yash. In 2020, Alka expanded her passion for education by actively managing the Central Modern School, which has campuses in Barasat, Birati, and Dum, serving over 3,000 students. Alka's Rotary journey began in 2016-17 as a spouse member when her husband Girish was elected president of the club. She became a major donor in 2017-18 and has since played various roles within the organization. Notably, she served as Public Image Chair in 2021-22, working closely with then President P.D. Rungta. Alka has also been instrumental in organizing fellowship programs for the club. Her leadership within Rotary is just beginning, symbolizing women empowerment within the organization. Her guiding belief, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, let everyone be happy and contribute as much as one can, reflects her inclusive and progressive vision. As the incoming president, Alka's theme for the year is Pragati, progress. Her vision focuses on fostering member bonding and encouraging contributions from all members in terms of time, effort, and resources. Under her leadership, she aims to drive collective progress while ensuring individual growth. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Vinita Moore. It is now our pleasure to invite our new president, Alka Ganeriwala, to deliver her acceptance speech and share her vision for the upcoming new Rotary year under her leadership and introduce her board of directors.
Esteemed guests, fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. It is an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you as the president of this club. As we gather here today to mark the beginning of a new Rotary year, I am filled with excitement and anticipation for the journey that lies ahead. My journey with Rotary started in 2017-18 when I became the member during the presidency of my husband, C.A. Girish Ganeriwala, and I started assisting him in his Rotary work. And very soon, Rotary started weaving its magic on me, and it became an integral part of my extended family. In 2020, when Girish Ganeriwala was the district chair of the conference, during PDG Ajay Agarwal's time, I got the chance to actively participate in the conference when I was fortunate enough to meet all the past presidents, PDGs, and the district officials, which I consider to be an absolute blessing in disguise. As we look forward to the upcoming year, I want to highlight some of the projects that we will be undertaking. One of our prime focuses this year will be women empowerment, aiming to bring in more women members in Rotary so that they can take up the leadership roles, because Rotary teaches leadership. We shall endeavor to assist women to gain skills and enhance their confidence, empowering them to become the primary bread earners of their family. Access to clean drinking water is a fundamental right and a critical aspect of community health. This year, we will focus more on providing chlorine-free water to ensure safe drinking, aiming to improve the overall health and well-being of our community. Promoting literacy is a cornerstone of Rotary's mission. We have started giving books as gifts this year. Books will be distributed in colleges, libraries, and community centers, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to expand their knowledge and imagination. This year, we plan to engage with young minds through their creativity, fostering a sense of purpose in them. Their creative products are being used as gift for the Rotary members on their birthdays and anniversaries. And these young budding artists will be aptly recognized on the Rotary platform. Please play the video. A small 11-year-old child is making this gift for our members. Please see.
And it went like.
As the saying goes, charity begins at home. Starting today, we have launched an initiative, My Driver is Eye Tested, wherein we are conducting free eye checkup for all the drivers who have come to the venue today. Ensuring that they have good eyesight will help prevent accidents and promote safe driving in the community. This initiative, in collaboration with East Kolkata Nagrik Foundation, we plan to take this to unprecedented levels in the days to come. We seek the guidance of our guest of honor, IPS Rupesh Kumar ji, on this initiative. It is said that if you dream it, you can do it. My dreams are big. My dream is to have a permanent meeting cum office space for our club, to construct public toilets in the adjoining areas, to take part in hospital projects, and to set up vocational centers. During his installation, DG Krishnendu Das talked about contributing to Rotary Foundation. Through the support of my members, I assure you to give you at least 2 major donors and a 100% contributing club this year. These projects are just a few examples of how we will continue to uphold Rotary's mission and values. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our outgoing president, PP Sunil Sethia ji, for an outstanding leadership and dedication. My fellow Rotarians, thank you for entrusting me with this role. I'm very excited to serve you as your president, and I look forward to working alongside with each and every one of you this year. Last but not the least, a big thank you to my whole family over here, especially to the 3 most important people in my life: my husband, PP Girish Ganeriwala, and my children, Yash and Pratibha. They are my pillars of strength. Because of their support and belief in me, I am standing here on this platform today. And I seek blessings from my parents wherever they are, and I'm sure they will be very happy to see me here today. Krishnendu Da is the magician of our district this year, and let us all create magic under his able leadership. Thank you.
Thank you, President Alka. We are all eager to support your vision and work together to make this magic of Rotary a reality. Well, friends, it is first time in our club history we have really marked an interesting project on the day of installation. While the installation is on, our project My Driver is a Tested Driver is also on, and they are having their eye checkups being done there. So can we have a big round of applause for her vision and the project that we have been doing on the day of our installation.
Let us have an insight into an interesting PowerPoint presentation. Road accidents in India. Can we have the PPT, please?
Can we have the PPT for the road accident, the PPT which we had planned? Can we have the board? Sure. Yes, sir.
Road accidents in India, a growing concern.
Alarming statistics. Have a look at the video.
हमारे देश में 5 लाख एक्सीडेंट होते हैं 1.5 लाख लोगों की करीब इसमें मौत होती है, 3 लाख लोग इंज्योर्स हो जाते हैं। पर डे 1130 एक्सीडेंट और 422 डेथ्स, हर घंटे पे 18 डेथ भारत में हो रही है। अगर इसका कंपैरिजन करेंगे कोई लड़ाई के साथ, कोविड के साथ, जातीय सांप्रदायिक दंगे, कानून व्यवस्था के कारण, सबके अगर अध्ययन करेंगे तो इसकी तुलना में मरने वालों की संख्या कई गुना अधिक है। और इसलिए ये बहुत ही सीरियस विषय है कि जिसका सॉल्यूशन हमको निकालना अति आवश्यक है।
A major underlying cause is driver's vision.
Facts.
अब क्या बताऊं मैं आपको, मैं जब मेरा एक्सीडेंट 2004 में हुआ, मैं पीडब्ल्यू मिनिस्टर था, तो जब मैंने पूरे सरकारी ड्राइवरों की जांच की आंखों की, तो 40% लोगों को कैटरेक्ट निकला। एक मुख्यमंत्री का ड्राइवर जो था वो दोनों आंखों से अंधा था, वो आवाज पे चलाता था, मुझे मुख्यमंत्री का नाम है वो भी है। एक भारत सरकार में मंत्री थे, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा किसी का, उनने मुझे बताया मेरा ड्राइवर एक आंखों से अंधा था। और आज पहली बात आपको कह रहा हूँ, आप पहला काम करिए कि आपके सभी ड्राइवर को प्राइवेटली जांच करके उनकी आंखों की जांच कराइए। मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ 25% 30% कैटरेक्ट वाले निकलेंगे, कहीं ना कहीं आंखों में प्रॉब्लम होगा।
A major underlying cause is driver's vision. President Alka Ganeriwala felt the need of the community and envisions to help preventing road accidents caused due to impaired driver's vision. We are coming up with this sticker for the My Driver is Eye Tested, which would be given to all the Rotary members, which can be put onto your cards.
It will bring in reduction in road accidents percentage.
It will help in disease prevention.